is Muralitharan. Kalinen drives and beautifully taken by the bowler himself. Oh, what a catch that one. And Kalinen out without adding to his overnight score. In Muralitharan's first over on the third day, since making his maiden half century last evening, 105 runs added for the third wicket in 175 minutes. Muralitharan, excellent recovery since delivery, and he was going in the opposite direction with the follow through. Recovered very well. Absolute beauty. He has the capacity to launch himself. Oh, brilliant catch there from Muttiah Muralitharan of his own bowling, and you cannot ask for a better effort. It's 8 for 409. More the batsman out. Muralitharan flighting that ball and looking to drive that ball on the onside, and look at that, a full length dive and a splendid effort from Muttiah Muralitharan.